let's try this out. I want to use this. I want to use this. I want to use this. I want to do a gold somewhere. Oh, I'm excited. I want to use that. Ooh, what is that? I like that. I will say that this palette actually excites me more than the last holiday collection from Pat McGrath. I really, really like this color story, and I feel like there's colors here that we could use all the time, and there's some spicy colors. But let's put it on and see what happens. Let's start with some clean canvas, and I actually do have a discount code for this now, in case you were wondering, and that code is SPICY. We're gonna put this on with a C31, and we're gonna use a lighter eyeshadow base today because I'm gonna be using colorful, very colorful eyeshadows. And I want them to be as true on my skin tone as they are in the pan. Also, I am going to hop off and I'm going to film some concealer content and something about setting spray. So I'm just going to do my eyes today. Please forgive me. I do full tutorials on here most days, and I have so many saved highlights. So if you want to go hop over and scroll my saved highlights, or even scroll my TikTok, because there's a ton of content there as well, go ahead and do that. But just for today, I've gotten a little bit behind because I'm doing all of the Halloween content. So I want to film some more educational stuff. Really quickly, I want to thank all of you that commented on that picture that I posted. I love y'all so much. Y'all are so wonderful and so supportive. And that picture got so many comments. And I will always be grateful for all of you. Y'all are so wonderful and I love you so much. All right, one of the reasons I want to use this purple is because purple gets patchy quickly. Purple's a very hard pigment to create. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to start to press it into my crease. I will say a little trick with purple eyeshadow is pressing, building it up, and not overworking it. And by overworking it, that means over blending it. I'm gonna finish this side. I feel like I'm over here in the bushes down. Good Lord have mercy, let me get closer to y'all. And I'm just gonna continue to press this. So once I have it placed over here, I really don't wanna keep going back over it. I'll go over this side, and we will transition it, but we really want to not mess with it. I'm telling y'all. Purple, it's a cruel mistress. Okay, let's flip the brush towards the ceiling, product side towards the ceiling here. And I'm just going to press it over this way. I absolutely love this purple. So pretty. Same thing over here. And since I'm only doing my eyes, I really want y'all to see how it blends. Okay, that looks really nice. Wow, these are beautiful. One thing I will say is I normally don't absolutely love the Pat McGrath mattes. The shimmers are some of the best shimmers on the market, but the mattes usually don't impress me. But that, and especially it being a purple, that's wonderful. Now we're gonna grab this shade. I know, it's gonna get wild. I grabbed that much. It's important to see how much I grabbed and where I grabbed it. Now we're gonna take it and start to transition the purple. Just gonna let this run. I'm gonna pick up more of the same shade. Start to go over this way. Just tapping. Pick up some more and then finish over this way. Mom was breaking stuff down there. Sorry y'all, my friend Sam called me. I had to chat with her for a second. Where were we? Okay, let's put on some more base on our lid. I'm actually just using whatever's left in here. And we'll do that. We're not gonna do a cut crease. I'm excited. Are you excited? Because I'm excited. All right, let's grab this shade. Y'all already knew I was going to use this. If anybody tried to think that I wasn't, come on now. Now, really load that product up on there, minus the Jean Bean hair. Okay, now we're just going to start to press it and pull on the lid. Oh my gosh, that's stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. All right, I love this blue so much with the purple and the pink. It's so beautiful. This is such a pretty blue, and I see a lot of blues. All right, let's just move on to wing liner. It's a wing liner day. While Jean Bean snores. You hear a blow dryer in the background, and that's actually Dougie getting blow dried because he just got a bath. And he actually doesn't hate baths, if you're wondering. My love for these lashes. I love them. They're just so perfect. They're called The Finishing Touch, and they're with my friend Tess and Tati Lashes. I just love them. And they're half lashes too, which I'm really into at the moment. These are so beautiful. This is one of my new favorite products. It is I'm gonna say it. It is probably the best gold pencil I have ever used in my entire makeup life. Do you see how bright this is? I just barely passed over that. So I'm gonna poke myself in the eye because I'm too excited. And then I'm gonna add it here. Look at how stunning. And it doesn't move. It absolutely will not move. All right, let me hop off and go film. I don't know what I wanna film. I feel like we need to talk about concealer. I feel like we need another concealer moment. I'm still getting a lot of DMs about concealer creasing, being too heavy, all of that. So I have a couple tips. I'm gonna go film that. Okay, I'll be back in a little while. Okay, I'm filthy, and I'm probably, y'all are noticing that I'm still green. Y'all, this is 2 showers later. I'm probably gonna be green for a week. And y'all know how many times I wash my hands? I'm stained. So I just finished filming the concealer. I'm so excited. I'm actually correcting what I did here. And I'm using my Sephora Collection Best Skin Ever Concealer and a Nisa Beauty Angle Concealer Brush. I'm gonna set it with my Givenchy powder and the Rose & Ben Beauty De-Setting Puff. I can't believe we have our own puff, y'all. Actually, I kind of can't, because I feel like a puff is something that I've been using for 1,000 years. In fact, I kind of made them popular on TikTok. Shh. Oh, by the way, the foundation I have on is Estee Lauder Double Wear. It's so good. I have honestly just fallen back in love with it. An outdoor beige is just such a good shade for me right now. I think I'm gonna use my Bare Minerals bronzer today. I'm always switching them up. Always just kind of seeing where we're at. I do love this one. I remember absolutely loving this one. Ben actually got this one for me one day. I was actually getting my hair done, and they washed off all my bronzer, and Ben went to Ulta and picked this out by himself, and it's beautiful. He's sneaking on me right now. Did you hear me talking about you?
Doug wanted it.
Oh, thanks. This is so pretty. And then I'll just apply a little bit here. And what that does is that just kind of makes everything nice and fluid. I know that contouring can be confusing and bronzing is not contouring, but that just kind of makes sure everything is really even and matching my chest. Now we're gonna grab the E27 and we're gonna grab the same purple shade, and I'm going to grab it in the center of the brush, and I'm going to press it and kind of pack it on. This way it won't fluff into my eye and we won't have fallout. See, there's no fallout. I'm picking up some more, and I'm gonna work in small sections. And then I'm gonna grab a little bit more and finish out the eye. Notice that I never swiped, and I just really packed and pressed it on. It really, really helps with fallout and really making your eye water. You don't realize how much powder fluffs around and gets into your eye, and that could be one of the reasons your eye is water. using that same pink shade. I just dusted my brush off a little bit. I'm just going to transition it just so it matches our crease. This might be one of my favorite eye looks. It's so pretty. I love these kind of colors. Everything in this room is snoring except for me because I do too much and I don't have time for naps, and I'm very jealous of these little gremlins. Dougie just got a bath. I honestly want to take a break and just go snuggle him. So we did this color right here as our inner corner. So pretty, so frosty. I'm gonna do a little extra over here too. I love it. So I love this blush so much yesterday, and I'm going to say that to my highlights. This is the one that I wore yesterday as the Y2K alien situation, and I just wanted to see it while I wasn't green, and it's absolutely beautiful. I feel like I've worn it before, but I just kind of fell in love with it yesterday, and these are so affordable. Oh my goodness. I think I have a code with them. You can try Rose. I'm not sure, but either way, they're so affordable. So I had a vision, and I was right. This is MAC Snob, and I knew that it was going to match this transition here perfectly. And the blush. I'm going to add a lip liner just to make it a little bit less scary. And I feel like a lot of times we can do that with our lipsticks and we don't realize it. You can have one that's way too light or that you don't like, and you can just shift it with lip liner. But just so you know, I love it by itself. I'm actually going to keep the lip liner more cool, and that's a cat in case you're new here. That is a extra large orange boy cat, and he snores like a bulldog. There is a little doggy over here snoring as well, but not like that orange man. All right, we're all done. I feel like you could do a fairy. You could just add some glitter to your cheekbone here and be a fairy. I absolutely love this eye makeup. This is just, and the lip, and the blush. I love it. I actually have to run to the grocery store. And yes, I do go like this. I would even go like what I did yesterday, except for it's just so messy. I never feel ashamed of my makeup. I'm just like, this is my art. My face is my canvas. I'm just having fun. It's just makeup. I love you all so much. I'm gonna hop off now and I'm going to go film some more videos. I have a few ideas. I love y'all. I kind of want to do, while I have you here, I kind of want to do a throwback with these CoverGirl eyeshadows. Okay, come here. I got inspired yesterday, and this truly is late 90s, early 2000s. And I want to use them. That frost. Let's watch that frost. Let's just look at it. Let's take a little gander. I haven't even opened these yet. They're all messy because they've been on my vanity forever. I've been meaning to film this, but I don't know. I'm feeling inspired. Sometimes I just have to wait for things to inspire me. Oh God. That pigment. We can make it work though. It's pretty. Oh my gosh, it actually kind of reminds me of these twinkle shadows where we just top. I have a lot of filming to do this weekend, so I'm excited. I love y'all so much, and I'm gonna post something really helpful tonight. I'm really excited to post it, so get ready for that. I post every day, Monday through basically I post every single day but Saturday, and I'm actually gonna post tomorrow. I'm gonna start posting. It's gonna be an ad, but it's another post. It's more content, and you know that all of my content is helpful, so you're not just getting a I love this, buy it, and then you never see it again. Everything I post is helpful, and you continue to see the products like this. I literally did an ad for Estee Lauder. This isn't an ad. The things that you see me use, I continue to use, or you've seen me use, and I continue to use it. So just always keep that in mind. I'm so thoughtful when it comes to those things because y'all truly matter, and it would break my heart to lose your trust. It would just, I do what I do for you. I love y'all. I know I say it a lot, but it's in my heart, and I have to tell you, I love you so much. I am going to go finish filming. I got a lot to do. I love you, and I'll see you in the comments tonight.